Hi everyone, how is it going? Shana there. What's going on? So yesterday, well, late last night, let me put it over here. Late last night, I saw in my email YouTube sent me that if I don't make basically the new rules, because if you're watching this, you probably see the new rules again that YouTube put out. One more thing again, right? I don't know to YouTube what's going on, but it's kind of hard for these small YouTubers to kind of catch up to the whole thing, because if you're not big, no one is really subscribing to you. I don't really mind about the subscriber or whatever, but you know me, I try to get my content out there, trying to be more consistent and stuff like that. Trying to create a little group in some sense to have, you know, but it's hard if YouTube's gonna keep knocking you down like this, right? I don't know if it's because I do know that there has been a few changes to YouTube, like the creators, like there have been like a few changes to the creators in YouTube. So I'm not too sure if, you know, the new ones they might try to implement, say, yo, this is what we want to put on the table and this is how it's gonna benefit us, not thinking about the smaller YouTubers. You know, I'm under 1500k subscribers, right? But the thing is, I'm still below the fact that, because it's stated that 4,000, you have to get 4,000 hours within a year and 1,000 subscribers within a year. So is it continuously, if you keep every year you have to get at least 4,000 and at least 1,000 subscribers? That's kind of hard. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's hard, right? Because we are small YouTubers. We're trying to make sure so our thing legit, and we're not trying to go out there and beg subscriber rate and all of those things. But come on, man. When I saw the email last night, I was so pissed off, because the one that the rule that they put out last time, that you have to be at 10 all-time views, I was able to you know, I wasn't caught in that one, you know, thank God. I was way over that. So but that's because I was on YouTube for a long while, which, you know, I wasn't really consistent. I would just basically upload any little thing, right? So now with this rule coming out in February, it's frustrating. It make you feel bad. It make us feel very down, you know. But as I said into my YouTube group, my Facebook group, I'm not gonna stop. I won't stop making my videos. I won't stop uploading my videos. I'll continue, you know, get my small amount of views that I'm getting, you know, my small amount of appreciation and small amount of subscribers that I'm getting, but I won't stop. So I hope you won't either, right? Don't let this get you down, because honestly, it did. At first, it did really get me down, because when I saw it, I'm like, yo, one more thing, man. One more change, right? But you know, me just not gonna really think about it. I know it's gonna be there. I know it's probably there in the back of my head and stuff like that, but I'm not going to think about it like that. But yeah, I don't want you guys to worry about it, you know what I mean? Just continue making your content. Me know it probably make you feel that way, probably make you feel down and all of those things. Also, I have my son, I started a YouTube channel, so you know, for sure I know that, you know, his channel has to build up for a while. Even without this rule, it has to build up. But this is just my thought on the whole YouTube thing. It kind of, it's messed up into the sense that, oh, the smaller YouTubers kind of get left behind, right? And you know, if you're a small YouTuber out there, you understand. I know that a lot of bigger YouTubers like, oh, you know, we feel so bad about, you know, shut up. You don't really feel bad, right? You're just saying that, or you probably just want to put out a video just to get views, because that's how it play. That's how it work, right? But you know, I do know that there are some of them that are genuine out there that really do feel bad about it. But you know, I'm in the same boat as you are, you know, whoever that out there have a small YouTube channel and a build up. You know, I'm in the same boat, you know. I'm not gonna rush myself, oh, may have to get in these by February, whatever. No. I just continue to do my own thing, continue to upload my own thing and stuff like that. If you want to do it like that, if you want to hurry up and get views and get you subscribe and stuff like that, go ahead. It's fine. It's you know, it's your thing you want to do. But no, I don't got no time for that, man. I'm just gonna continue doing what I have to do, continue putting out the content that I have to put out. But yes, as what I was saying though, don't give up. Do not give up. This is a big, you know, YouTube putting out this rule. As I said, maybe some new creators on YouTube decided to put this on the table, but don't give up. This is very frustrating and get upset about it. But yeah, but do support each other in the views and subscribers. But do support, right? Do support. Also, lick the like and share button. Also, give me a comment. Tell me how you feel when you see that message coming. Because when I saw it coming, I was like, are you kidding me? You know, and my husband like, what's wrong? I'm like, I just got this and this, and you know, I was so pissed off. I was so upset, right? But tell me how you feel. My comment may not include certain words I block from my comment bar, so just in case you're probably trying to, you know, use few words because you're upset and everything. Not at me, but upset at the whole fact with the YouTube new thing. But you may not able to express those words freely like that. I probably go to my yeah, I probably have to approve it first, right? So yeah, please link in the list, put down into the comment. Tell me how you feel when you see that email come in. Tell me how you feel. Tell me really, even if you're not a small YouTuber, tell me how you feel as a big YouTuber to really see that, you know, the smaller YouTubers are being left behind like this. But anyway, this will be too much of a long video. I just didn't want to like a 5 minutes and a video, and it's gone way over. Shana out later.